Hi everyone, my name is Ogie and welcome to Ogie channel. Ogie means joy, happiness, and Ogie means king or the reigning king. Now, it used to be CV Coach 216, but we've changed the name and branded the channel to Ogie. Now, thank you so much. I'm a creative entrepreneur. I'm a public speaker, an author, educationist, and I'm a motivator. So I educate and motivate people to be creative in coming out to be the best of them. Now, how do you know that this channel is for you? Here are some few questions you need to ask yourself. Are you a creative person? Have you ever wanted to run your own business? Do you want to hear success stories of others who have made it and become successful in their areas? Now, are you struggling with a particular passion? Now, if the answers to those questions is yes, then this channel is for you. You see, and one thing I've come to realize is that if the answers to those questions is yes, I want to tell you something. Never give up in life. You see, no change happens by itself. Every change in life is enforced. It does not matter where you find yourself now or what situation you find yourself. When you listen to other people's success story, how they got to where they are now, you'll be inspired. Especially when you come in on this channel and you listen. Have an open mind. Ask questions. Tell me what you think I should do right. Tell me what you think I'm not doing right. And I'll be able to help you. Now, this is Ogie. Some people call me Og, but this is Ogie. Ogie. I want to say thank you so much. I know you might just be passing by, but please, maybe you're just passing by, but please, I will appeal. If you could please subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment so we know what we need to do right or what we're not doing right. But I want to say thank you so much for being here. Now, you see me do lots of videos. You see me bring in lots of videos, lot of people. If you have any particular question for someone in the channel that I'm bringing in to interview, please send me an email and leave me a comment in the comment box, and I will ensure that I get the right person straight to you. Now, I'm so happy once again. I want to say thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate the time, the effort you're putting into even listening to the video, leave a comment. Thank you so much, and God bless you. And I appreciate every comment, every subscriber, everyone who has come here. God bless you and keep you in divine health. See you again, and don't forget, this is Ogie. I want to say thank you so much. God bless you. Bye for now.